Today's class is about examples of editing blocks and pre-select with examples. Difference between pre-select and for each. These are the topics I'm going to cover. For editing blocks, there are three types of editing blocks. Editing blocks is used to edit the progress session. Edit data in the progress session. Okay. So there are three types of editing blocks. Those are prompt for, set, and update. Okay. So prompt for it used to add new data to database table. It used to read the data from source buffer. Okay. How it will read, I mean not how it will add means here we cannot show the example. Let's see. Prompt for, we'll see the example, otherwise custom. Just we'll see the example. If it won't work here. Custom is an ambiguous ship to may would not understand. Dot. Let's see if it is working fine means I'll show you. Otherwise, I'll show you the screenshots of which I have run these things in my local. Okay. No, some server issue. Okay, we can use like this and it will edit like set. Okay, I'll show you that image of set. But you cannot practice in this. Okay, for this one. Okay. Don't worry about this. I'll show you when I come. I mean, offline classes, I'll show you. Okay. It will read the data. Coming to set, it will read the data and displays. Okay, I'll show you the example for this. Okay, are you able to see, right? Like this, for each item, if we keep for item table, if we are going to display that one, then we have to set that value. Then we can add that item number 1. It will take from starting count, and it will add that data to the database table. Okay, like this it will do. Okay, you can understand, right? Like this only prompt for will also work, but we cannot add we cannot add to the record buffer from the prompt for. We cannot add, we just reading we can read the data, that's it. But for set, we can display the data. We can read the data and we can display the data to the set. Okay, understand? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if we go to the update statement, it will read and display and assign data to record buffer. It will update whatever the data we are reading from the source buffer, that can be updated by using update command. I'll show you that example for you guys. You understand, right? Hello.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, here you can see, right? If we have some values here, item 1, we can update, we can update all the items by like this. We can run it and we can keep that update field name, update statement, and we can take that database table fields and we can update like this. If we do if we need to do this like this, means we just need to tab. If you keep tab, then it will automatically move from one field to another field, and it is going to update it. Okay, but here we cannot run this in online editor, because it is not able to pop out the outputs like messages.
Akka, it's not clearly visible, Akka.
I'll show you in practically when yeah, when you guys come to my home. Okay, here I can't
Okay.
show you, right? My system is not connected with the Zoom, so I cannot show you.
Yeah, okay.
Just we need to keep update command, set command, like this it will come. I'll show you in online offline class. Okay, I'll take this in offline class for this one, but I have to show, right? That's why I gave these examples in image format. Okay, understood?
Yes, Akka.
Then pre-select is work like a for each. You guys know about for each, right? Like this only, it is the one of the querying statement, but it will select before. Pre means before, right? It will select all the database data before displaying only. Okay, I'll give you the example. It will be run in this online editor. I'll give you the example. What it will do, it will select all database data, database table data. Okay, database table data, and it may it will display. Okay, like this it will. Syntax for this is syntax for this is pre-select each database table name with end with statement, end statement. Okay, like this we can define the syntax for pre-select. Like it is like for each syntax for each. Okay, for each database table name, no locks, end. Okay, end with end statement. Okay, like this. So both are similar, but for this one is we don't use no lock because it is directly selecting the data. It is selecting before displaying. If you guys is querying like this, it will directly take the data in one in backup, and it will display that backup data. Okay, like how we are using backups, right? Like that we can, it will work. Okay, we'll go. You guys understand, right? It will. Hello, can you understand? Did you guys understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the question you have to, assignment question. Okay, you have to write in quite oral format. Okay, like theory format. You guys didn't submit last two assignments. Please submit as soon as possible. Okay, you guys understand? Pre-select each customer custom equals to custom plus 10,000 disp custom end with end statement. Okay, we'll run it. One second. Why it is not working? Here in my system it is working fine. I'll show you that command for you. Okay. So it is not working fine here. This one also I'll show you in my system. Actually, what it will happen is it will load all the data. 1 second. I'll send it to the email and I have the pictures and I'll send it to email. Okay. One second. I'll send it to you through email. Just wait for 2 minutes. I'll send it. Okay. Now it is running, right? Hello. See,
Yes, Akka.
before
Ah,
now you are able to see 13,020 we are getting, right? So again I am running, so this data won't display. It will get, one second. But here it is displaying the data or whatever the data, but it won't display the same data when we run this. Okay, but here it's a online editor, right? It is unable to get. I'll show this example in my offline session. Okay, this example. But if you come to for each statement, I'm just comment it out, and actually few pop-ups is not working fine, so that's why it is not working. If it is customer no lock this customer dot custom. Okay, if you run this, we'll get whatever the data we have. Okay, if we need that plus 10,000 value, so we'll get 13,000 something. Okay, whatever the data we have, that will get. Okay, if you coming to this pre-select, what it will do, it will recollect, I mean it will collect all the data, whatever the data we have in the database table, that will be stored before displaying, I mean before displaying itself. What it will do, it will select all the data, and it will store in one db, one database. Okay, that will be directly displaying. But coming to the for each, what it will do, it will read from the database table, whatever the database we have, that will be reading. But pre-select what will do, it will collect all the data into another, I mean temporary storage, I mean temporary database. From that it will read. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, understood? But here it is
yes,
not
sir.
showing proper results for this. But if it is offline class, I'll show this pre-select and set update and uh, prompt for. I'll keep this one. Need to show examples in. Yeah, someone is asking something. Please go ahead. Hello. Hello.
Akka.
Someone is asking a question, but they haven't speak. Hello. Hello.
Continue to the class.
Yeah, that class has completed. Please ask me the questions, whatever you have. Hello. Do you have any questions? We have
No, Akka.
we have completed blocks. Okay. Course done. Okay. These are the topics I have covered. Define variable, no undo, data types, find and for each statement, no error, no wait, locks, deadlock, locking strategies, update, set, update, delete, create, assign. This assign, create, delete. Okay, these things will be covered. I need to. I mean, I'll give you next in next class. I'll give you the examples for delete, create, and assign. Okay. 1 second. Whatever the completed, that I'll keep here. And types of blocks I have completed. And conditional statements I have completed. And record buffers completed. Procedure completed. Persistent procedure and super procedure also I have completed, but we cannot give the example for this because we need to create one .p file, and that .p file has to call how to call syntax I gave you, right? That only they'll ask. They do, you just orally say to them the persistent procedure is acts like an external procedure. That procedure, that procedure by using the syntax, you just say that syntax, whatever the syntax I have mentioned in the class, so that you can mention. Okay, you understood? Then
Yes,
scoping,
Akka.
has completed. Then I need to give listing files, next xref, temp tables and transactions, and delete, create, assign. After that I'll add a few more topics. Okay, till here I have covered. Okay, uh, 17 topics I have covered within the 12 classes. Okay, I need to give each one in the one class, but I have covered most of the topics in club, and I have given. Okay, you just concentrate on these 17 topics. Please make a note. I'll add this one in today's class recording, near to the class recording, and please do on exercises and do be well prepared for all these topics. I'll ask you I'll do some one mock interview for you guys. Okay, I'll ask you in Zoom
Yeah,
only.
okay.
Then you have to give the answers for this. Okay, by end of
Okay,
Okay.
Akka.
on Sunday or something, I'll schedule. Okay, this interview, mock interview, I'll use it. I'll prepare for mock interview. I'll prepare some questions, and I'll ask you all the people. Please prepare well for the mock interview.
Okay,
Okay,
Akka.
I'm going to stop recording. If you